Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to be recapping on my trades. None of the trades that I talk about are in any way any stock suggestions. These are just the ones that I've invested in that I'm going to be talking about, like what I did good, what I could have done better. I talked about pretty much every single stock that you're going to hear me talk about that I took advantage of today, or that I invested today. I made a video last night. I think it was like around like 11 to 12 p.m. Or 11 p.m. Midnight, right around that area. I tend to make 2 videos every single day. If you guys have never tuned into any of my videos, I usually do a recap video like this. I made one yesterday. I made a little bit over $648 yesterday. And then today, I'm going to be, as you guys know, you guys can see any of my videos. Today, I closed today a little bit over $2,000 profit. Just so I'm completely transparent. Is this a normal day for me? No. When it comes down to trading, making $2,000 a day is not something that I normally do. That means I'm covering about 8 to 10% almost of growth today, and that's definitely not something that I normally do. My weekly goal is $2,500 to $3,000 every single week. Last week I barely ended the week green. I've had weeks where I've cleared over $4,000. And this week I'm already at my weekly goal. On Monday I made a little bit over $100. I didn't trade on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday, what's it called? I'm sorry. Yesterday was $648, and then today we're up a little bit over $2,000. So I'm getting my weeks messed up. Let me go ahead and start showing my trades. I want to give a huge shout out to all those that are part of Learn, Plan, Profit, and TechBot Solutions. If it was not, I'm gonna you know how I built my watch list. So for those that haven't checked out my YouTube channel, I'm gonna close this out real quick. For those that haven't checked out my YouTube channel, feel free to do so. We actually just broke a little bit over 265,000 subscribers. We're one of the fastest growing private trading communities out there. And the reason that I'm doing this breakdown is because if you guys don't tune into our Sunday stock talk, all the stocks that I planned, so when I made this video, the top 3 stocks that I'm looking and watching for this week, the only reason I was able to come up with those 3 stocks was because of the Sunday stock talk. I want to give a huge shout out and all credit to those that are part of TechBot Solutions, for those that tuned into the live stream, and for those that are part of Learn, Plan, Profit. What led to my success today that cleared a little bit over $2,000 is just that. The UWT was not one that I was watching. It was one that pushed up, got rejected, and for those that are part of Learn, Plan, Profit, they were able to watch me trade live. I took my second position right after the live stream. I cleared a little bit under $500 profit. Why does this? Sorry about that. Cleared a little bit over under $500 profit on UWT. When it comes down to the ticker of ARQL, this one had a really nice scalp, very much of a lower cap stock. On this one, I cleared a little bit over $1,000, 100. And then when it comes down to the ticker EGAN, I cleared a little bit under again $500. So if you do the math, if I'm not mistaken, I think I have the screenshot that shows you like exactly what it is. It's about $2,000, a little bit over $2,000. And UWT was actually one that within the live stream of Learn, Plan, Profit, like the one that I literally just finished a couple minutes ago, we were pretty much closing out the live stream. It had a huge sell-off, and I saw that, I went on the 180-day analysis, and this is me sharing my thought process on why I took the position. I saw that it sold off. It was bouncing on the SMA indicator, which made sense. And I saw that it started picking up, right? There was this idea of this critical point. It was consolidating around this area, and then it broke above the resistance. Then that's when I chose to take the position. It was pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, hit around that middle VWAP. First mistake of this trade was I did not lock in profits at this exact price point. It got rejected. I gave back all my profits. We just had a huge push up on UWT. I'm already out of UWT, so nothing that I can do now. But it's been pushing up very aggressively. It has a lot of margin to cover. There it goes, just broke above $37. Pushed up, sold off. That's really annoying to be able to see. I'm going to set my alert while I'm trading, but as you guys can see, it's very active today, and it had a huge sell-off. It got rejected. It sold off. I ended up being down like $35 during the live stream. So for those that are part of Learn, Plan, Profit, you guys can rewatch that live stream. It picked right back up, broke above the EMA line, started to show signs of an uptrend pattern. Sold my first position there. Right as I sold, everyone started laughing because I have this idea of like locking in profits early, and it's this joke that like every time that I lock in profits, it pushes up, and that's exactly what it did. It pushed up, it continued to push up. Once it was around like the 36.20, took my first position, sold right around this area, sold off. And then this is where I took my second position. I took my second position when it was consolidating around this area, and then added to that position when it broke above the EMA, and then right as it approached this resistance right around 36.80, that's where I sold off. It consolidated. It's validating the EMA line very nicely, and that's what led to my success. When it comes down to the ticker ARQL, very similar pattern within the first couple of the minutes during the market open. Again, I made that video yesterday. If it trades in between the middle and top view up, it's something that I'm going to take advantage of. I saw that it was opening green, and that's something that I found very attractive for ARQL. It had a pretty solid pullback yesterday, so did a lot of other stocks. So if we go on the 2-day analysis, it had a pretty solid sell-off, so I knew that it had some potential for a reversal, and I knew that it was catching up above the EMA during closing hours. So when it started showing signs of an uptrend, I jumped right on it. And I went in very aggressively on these specific positions for ARQL and AGAN. AGAN, I ended up selling, if I'm not mistaken, at like 15.27.5, something like that. It was at a market order, and then it pushed up to highs of like 15.35 right after I sold. But very consistent day, and again, I could not be more blessed when it comes down to the different trades that I took today. So it looks like it just shot up again. I missed out on some opportunity there, but I think I'm done trading for the day. Let's see. So $2,300 profit on a day trade off WT. Okay, well that's the inverse of UWT, right? So yeah, I mean, you guys have to understand, like I've been talking about the past couple of weeks, that it's been very slow, and it's if you guys saw my trade yesterday for the $648, the amount of money that I had to invest for that lower cap stock is something that I don't normally do. I went in with the $25,000 to $30,000 on ARQL yesterday to just barely make 648, and it's because the market has been so bad, and I've been really struggling. Even the $100 that I made on Monday was so difficult. Like I locked in profits right away, that was easy, but to find anything else was so difficult for myself. And like that's the thing that I want to share with you guys, is like today worked out just so fluidly. Everything was just so fluid, and this is like a perfect day, right? Not only did I exceed my daily goal of the $500 to $750 profit, which in general, like that's my average profit. I said it in the beginning of the video. I hope that you guys know that $2,000 profit is not something that I make every single day, and I want to be completely honest with you guys. But when it comes down to consistently growing my account and consistently locking in profits, I know that you guys can check any of my videos. I show my profits in all my videos. I recap on my trades. For those that are part of Learn Plan Profit, they get to watch me trade live every single day. And it's such an amazing opportunity and a blessing that I'm able to work with such motivated people. Because if it was not for the Sunday Stock Talk and those individuals that shared ARQL and these specific tickers that exposed me to the potential, then I would have not been able to experience this day. And that's the whole purpose of networking. Surround yourself with people that are motivated. Surround yourself with people that are like-minded. Surround yourself with people that are knowledgeable. And I think the Learn Plan Profit and Tech-Bud Solutions group is an amazing community for that. I know a lot of people can vouch for that, and you can look for a bunch of reviews online. But I just want to tell you guys thank you for everything that is that you guys do. I would not have experienced this day if it weren't for you. And that's really just it. So it's a great group of people. We really keep ourselves motivated. It's very uplifting. We're not here to subjugate others, and we encourage any questions. I know I do have over 1,000 videos on YouTube, so I have that little TechBuds search bar that will allow you to search up certain specific videos based on like keywords, right? So if you guys want to know what that is, direct message me within TechBud Solutions and Learn Plan Profit. But I just wanted to say thank you guys. And that's really just it. So I'm gonna get some food. I'm really hungry. And again, for those that tuned into yesterday's video, that was like a recap that I edited. It was a wide angle lens, and it made my arms look like super like what's it called? Like one super big and one like that wasn't big. And you guys had the most hilarious like roast on me and stuff like that. But hope that you guys know that it was not photoshopped or anything like that. It was just a new camera with a wide angle lens and stuff like that. So What time do you usually stream live? So normally for those that are part of Learn Plan Profit, that's the private group, that's that first link down below. I normally stream live at market open. Today was 1 hour after the market open because it's Wednesday, and we wanted to give people more time to what's it called? We wanted to give more people time to tune into the live stream and stuff like that. But that's really just it. So I wanted to thank you guys again for everything. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives you in your success. If you guys would like to stay connected, you guys know that I offer the two different options, right? The free group, it's TechBot Solutions. We're one of the fastest growing, we're the fastest growing private trading community out there. We have over 124,000 members worldwide. It's a free Facebook group. Once you get accepted to the Facebook group, we offer a free Discord chat. You can literally direct message me every single day if you want to. Please keep it under 150 characters, but you can direct message me. I respond to all direct messages, hopefully within 24 hours, and that's really just it. You surround yourself with tens of thousands of people all across the world. If you would like to work with me on a closer basis and watch me actually trade live every single day, then that's what the Learn Plan Profit group is for. So be sure to click that first link down below and learn a little bit more on, how we're able to surround ourselves with such not just amazing and motivated people, but also people that do very well and are very knowledgeable. So that's pretty much it. So I want to thank you guys again. If you guys can give this video a thumbs up, I'd greatly appreciate it. Let's make sure that we keep it simple. We don't force any trades. And again, one of the best positions that we can take is not taking one at all. So if you're not having the best day today or you don't see anything playing out according to plan, then again, feel free to take a step back and not trade at all. So let's just keep it simple. So thank you guys again, and I hope you guys all have an amazing rest of your day. And if I don't see you guys for the rest of the week, then I want to wish you guys an amazing week. So stay safe, team. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.